Hi, Carlo.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you gonna read today?
I'm gonna read about astronauts.
Okay.
Astronauts. An astronaut is a person trained to travel through space. A spacecraft carries astronauts into space. Astronauts study what it is like to live in space. Some astronauts have walked on the moon. They walked in the moon. Some astronauts walked the moon, right?
Yeah.
Right? What astronauts do? Astronauts spend most of their time learning about space. Sometimes they travel into space. They do experiments in space. An experiment is a test to learn something new.
Oh, so that's the meaning of experiment.
That means that you're gonna learn something new.
Yeah.
Okay? Like that.
Okay.
Different kinds of astronauts. Many astronauts are scientists. A scientist is a person who does experiments. You know, I can read that experiments.
Oh.
Some astronauts are pilots. Pilots fly spacecraft. A pilot that they fly the spacecraft.
What else do they fly?
They fly planes.
Good.
What astronauts wear? Astronauts wear uniforms inside a spacecraft. They wear spacesuits outside spacecraft. Spacesuits cover their bodies. Helmets cover their heads. Space and suits and helmets astronauts warm in space.
Yeah, okay.
So it won't get cold.
Okay.
Okay.
Not too not, not too fast, Carlo.
Tools astronauts use. Astronauts use cameras to take pictures in space. Slow like that.
Okay.
They take pictures of Earth. They also take pictures of stars and the moon. Everything floats in space. Special belts called tethers keep objects from floating away.
Oh, I learned something
A belt.
new. So what's a tether?
A tether, it's actually a belt that's not gonna keep you from floating away. Like, it's cool, right?
Yeah.
You're not gonna
Keep
float.
objects from floating away.
Yeah, it's cool. Like you have a sticky one and it magnet and it's not and it's invisible.
Okay.
Like that. Astronauts and school. Astronauts must finish
Oh, you're sleeping, Anna.
college. College is a place to study after high school. Astronauts take special fast classes after college. They learn about space. They learn what it is like to float in space. They learn like this, a sample. Like they're gonna learn about floating, like that. Where astronauts
Huh?
where astronauts work. Sometimes astronauts work in space. Other times they work at a space center. They train for space travel. Other astronauts use computers. They help to control spacecraft from the ground. Sorry.
I thought you said guard.
Ground.
Ground.
People who help astronauts. Teachers help astronauts learn how to help live in space.
Lakas naman ako.
Workers in a space center also helps astronauts. They help pilots fly and also helps astronauts help hide sorry and land spacecraft. They also help astronauts stay safe during space flights. Sorry, just messed up. Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry about that. How astronauts help others. Astronaut helps people learn about space. They also help people learn about Earth. They take pictures of Earth from space. The pictures help people understand Earth, like this. The astronauts helps people learn about Earth and the space. Want to learn about Earth and the space?
Oh yeah, of course. I want to learn about the space.
Oh,
And
come on,
Earth.
I don't like this part. Hands on junk without gravity.
Oh, it's like an experiment?
Can I skip it? Please. Yeah.
Well,
There is no gravity in space. Gravity is the force that holds things on Earth. Many things are hard to do without gravity. Drinking water is hard to do in space. You can see what it is to drink without gravity. What you need: one glass of water, one chair. Put the glass of water on the floor. Put the chair next to it. Next it.
next.
Lie across the chair. Your back. Put your head near the floor. Your head must be lower than your stomach. Again, sorry. Try to drink the water. It is hard to drink the water. Gravity pulls the water toward the floor. It is easier to drink standing up. Then gravity pulls the water down your throat.
Oh, maybe we'll try that.
Oh, that's hard. What words to know? Experiment. A test to learn something new. Gravity, the force that holds things to Earth. Scientist, a person who does experiments. Spacesuits, a suit that keeps an astronaut warm in space.
Wow.
Da-da-da-da! I'm
Good
finished.
job, Kuya.
Thank you.
Thank you for reading for Hila. Hila's sleeping now.
Wait.
Okay, Kuya.
Wait, don't turn it off for a second.
Alright. Okay, good
Now I'm
night.
gonna do the actions. I'm floating. I'm floating. I'm floating.
Okay, good night.
No.
Bye-bye na, anak.
No.
Lobat na.
I'm gonna
Sit
sing
down.
ABC.
Sit down.
I'm gonna sing
Okay,
the
sit
Tagalog
down.
ABC.
Oh, sit down.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N
LMNN.
N G O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. An alfabeto Filipino, madaling bigkasin, sabayan nyo ka. A, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, G, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
You farted. Okay, Kuya. Good night.
An alfabeto Filipino, madaling bigkasin, sabayan nyo ko.
Oh, sige na. That's just a repeat. Okay, good night.
No.
Say bye na.
No. A, B, C, D.
Okay na. Kuya, that's enough na.
One more. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, G, O, P, Q, Q R S T U V W X Y Z. An alfabeto Filipino. Madaling bigkasin. Sabayan niyo agad.
Okay, good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you for watching my show. And thank you
Okay.
for my reading.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.